Hey, I got this question today from one of our really old videos, and I thought I'd do a real quick video to answer the question. And I'll take a couple snapshots of the latest vehicle that we did with Raptor liner. But the question is, what do I like better, Monstaliner or Raptor liner? So we've done several bug out vehicles. I'm not a professional painter, just so you know, so the easier it is to me, the more I like it generally. But I had actually I saw one of this got some Monstaliner on it. I've got two bug out vehicles. We sold one on eBay, but the question was, do I like Monstaliner or Raptor liner better? But I need to pose a question back to you. What are you wanting to get out of the lining that you put on your truck, especially if you're going to paint the whole outside, like not just the bed, not just the part that you want to be tough or scratch resistant or rust resistant, but what are you looking for? So some people don't care. Like, I just want it to be rugged, durable, and last forever. If all you care about is not application, how easy it is or how difficult it is, and you just want to have a product that will just about outlast your vehicle, I do recommend Monstaliner. The application's also pretty stinking easy. Like, you can pour it in a roller pan, you can roll out Monstaliner, and you can literally apply it with a roller on your truck vehicle, the bed of your truck, whatever you're wanting to accomplish. Now, I'm a little different. I do use a bug out vehicle as a daily driver. And so I kind of want it to look a little cool. The problem with the not a problem. The difference with the Monstaliner is that it's almost rubber. There's no sheen to it whatsoever. It does collect dirt and dust. It's hard to clean. It doesn't really, it looks like a rolled on mat on your car. That's my opinion. That's my opinion. Now, the Raptor liner, and there's several other ones. I can't speak to the other ones. I've only done Raptor liner on a few vehicles, the Monstaliner on parts of that vehicle over there, and I'll take a couple of pictures and show you, but it's durable. But if you're looking for something that's got kind of a sheen, kind of a shell, looks better, the applications, you're not supposed to roll it on. You can roll it on. I don't recommend rolling it on. What we got, we did it through a sprayer. We sprayed it on with a auto paint sprayer. We thinned it out enough that it had no problem going on, and it's got a little bit of an eggshell sheen. So when you look at it, it's like, oh, what is that on the car? It kind of shines, but kind of doesn't. It is tough. It is rugged. But I will tell you, if you ding the car, like the last Suburban we did with that, I dinged the back of the car with something. What did we run into? I think a mailbox. Mailbox? Anyway, we dinged the back of the car. It will, if it's a hard enough ding, it will crack like paint will, and then it'll peel off. And then you've got to go back and reshoot it, clean around it. It's easy to fix because it's got enough of a texture to it that you can't really tell. You can't really tell that you fixed it there. And depending on how you mix your paint and your colors, that's a whole other thing. You gotta be good at mixing paint. But if it were me, if I'm just wanting rough, rugged, durable, I'm gonna get Monstaliner and roll it on. If I want something that can look cool on a daily driver and still be pretty rugged, I'm going to prep it right so it'll stay on, but I'm going to use a Raptor liner. I hope this helps for those of you that have asked. And if you hadn't seen our bug out vehicle videos, we got a lot of them on here. I think we did like 8 of them. One of our friends, I'll try to remember the link to her YouTube page. She did a really good overview of the last one we had. But listen, it just depends on what you're looking for, and then you can make your decision. Both products are really good products. Hey, do us a favor, please. Like and subscribe. It helps the analytics on the channel, and it also helps us know that we're doing good content for you. Thanks.